Sheffield is a city with the ideal conditions for buy-to-let investment. For a start, the population is growing, up by more than 80,000 over the last 2 decades. There are also more than 55,000 full-time students living in the city, many of whom stay on after graduation to work in a diverse range of industries. But the last 10 years have seen fewer than 8,000 new homes completed in Sheffield, which means that there's only enough new housing stock to meet around 25% of the demand. Surprisingly, prices still lag behind Leeds, Manchester and Birmingham, but the supply and demand economics suggest it won't stay that way for long. Langford Tower is an opportunity to take advantage of that likely future price growth. It's a mix of studios, 1 and 2 bedroom apartments with prices starting from just £142,000. The development is in a highly sought after postcode within the inner ring road, meaning easy access to the shopping, dining, transport, universities and parks. Rising to 24 floors, it offers incredible views across the city, which residents can take in through floor-to-ceiling windows, while enjoying the open-plan living areas that maximize space and light. It's scheduled to complete in January 2024, but you can invest with a 20% deposit now and nothing further to pay until completion. For details of buy-to-let mortgages, finance and rental returns, or to request a brochure, floor plans and further details, get in touch with IP Global today.